I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so the transfer runs without interruptions. Plug both phones into power and connect them to the same Wi-Fi or use a hotspot. This prevents mid-transfer drops. Sign into the same account on both phones, Google for Android, Apple ID for iPhone, and make sure backups are enabled. Once done, open the transfer tool, phone migration, smart switch, or iCloud setup, and choose to restore from another device. This initiates the handshake between phones and starts the copy process. You now control the middle of the operation where details matter. Choose either a full backup restore or selectively pick apps, messages, photos, and system settings so you don't transfer clutter. If offered, use encrypted transfer or enter the backup password to preserve account tokens and health data. Monitor the progress indicator closely, keep both screens unlocked, and avoid switching Wi-Fi networks or closing the app. If an app needs reauthorization, pause and complete sign-ins so data links correctly. You finish by verifying and cleaning up so the phone is fully usable. Check that accounts synced, app logins work, and permissions like contacts and photos are granted. Reauthorize banking or 2FA apps as needed. If some items didn't transfer, reinstall the apps from the store and trigger individual restores. If something fails, restart both phones, try a wired transfer instead of wireless, or use the cloud backup restore option. These steps solve most issues and ensure a complete restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.